get ready for action. Witness the world's fastest, most extreme cutting machines and mighty excavators conquer the toughest jobs. It's not just cutting, it's masterful power in motion. Prepare for high-octane heavy metal excitement. A grand western red cedar towers with pride, yet even giants must bow. The chainsaw hums, a meeting of nature and machine. In a fleeting moment, it's done, a brief instant that echoes forever in the soul. I'm completely blown away. Those Brabant Mares are absolutely phenomenal. 2 tons in slick conditions? That's not just strength, it's pure power and elegance in perfect harmony. The way they lean into the work and make it look so effortless is absolutely mesmerizing. You can see their incredible training and the deep bond they share with their handlers. I've watched this 5 times already, and I'm still in awe. Whoa, he sure took the express route down. The delicate dance of strategic deconstruction, where a tree's departure is just a cover for a home's grand disappearance. The chances of him making it out unharmed were slim to none, yet he beat the odds. It was nothing short of remarkable, maybe even a stroke of luck. Wood splitters are incredibly handy, but safety should always come first. My grandfather's blade splitter is powerful yet predictable, while the screw splitter is much riskier due to its constant motion and strong pulling force. The best way to handle these machines is by following strict safety precautions at all times. Watching this video takes me right back to helping my grandpa split wood as a kid. We didn't have any fancy wedges like that Alpha 6, just mauls, wedges, and a whole lot of sweat. Red oak was always the toughest to split, and we'd spend all day just to make a small pile. Seeing this makes me wish we had one of these back then. Just think, how many things in your life have lasted 30 years? This wood splitter has. It's been through it all, tackling towering piles of logs and standing faithfully by its owner's side. Sure, it might not be as fast as it once was, but that's part of its charm. It's a living testament to durability, a working relic, a piece of craftsmanship that refuses to be forgotten. Hit us with a fire in the comments if our video amazed you. Your support keeps us going. Here's a little insider tip. When it comes to woodworking, size truly matters. That's why the LT40 wide is turning heads. Picture effortlessly cutting through massive 40-inch logs with precision and ease. This isn't just any sawmill. It's a game changer for businesses that demand power and reliability. The woodworking industry just got an upgrade. A powerful Caterpillar D8K dozer assisting a log truck up a steep logging road in the Coos Bay region, where challenging terrain often requires extra muscle to haul heavy timber loads safely. This homemade horizontal wood splitter is an impressive mix of creativity and practicality. Despite being DIY, it boasts a sturdy hydraulic system that generates incredible force, making wood splitting effortless. It's a perfect example of how smart engineering can transform basic ideas into powerful, efficient solutions. The maiden run of the screw shaft separator, and guess what? It's running like a dream with a 3 kilowatt motor. But hold on, safety first. We've also installed an emergency switch to keep everything under control. It's just a test model for now, but if it's already this smooth, just imagine what's coming next. Rocket. The Norwood LM30 is a rugged and reliable portable sawmill built for precision, durability, and top-notch performance. Designed to make milling logs into high-quality lumber effortless, the LM30 features a sturdy frame and a range of powerful engine options. Whether you're crafting fine furniture or constructing a log cabin, this sawmill is your trusted partner for getting the job done right. Imagine if cutting wood was as effortless as brewing a cup of coffee. This automatic woodcutting machine prototype is all about convenience. Just lift the log, press a button, and let the machine handle the rest. No complex setup, no manual labor, just smart, efficient, and time-saving technology. Whether you're a pro or a DIY enthusiast, this is the future of wood processing. Crafted with expert precision, the Growy 40-ton horizontal log splitter boasts a powerful hydraulic system and automatic log retrieval for maximum efficiency. Designed for professionals, it delivers reliable splitting force, minimizing downtime and boosting productivity. Whether tackling tough hardwood or large rounds, this machine is a dependable choice for serious wood processing. The Cara log splitter saves you time and energy with its powerful hydraulic system, effortlessly cutting and splitting logs up to 38 centimeters. Its 4-meter rotating conveyor and optimized control system keep everything running smoothly, making wood processing faster, safer, and more efficient. Say goodbye to hassle. Cara streamlines your workflow and boosts productivity with ease. Hurricane Idalia roared through Valdosta, Georgia, on August 31, 2023, toppling massive 60-plus-year-old pine trees onto homes. Here's a look at one home where a tree company is carefully removing one of these towering pines from the roof. It's no easy task. Stick around until the end to see how they do it. The Cedrus LS02H 7-ton horizontal log splitter is more than just a tool, it's power in your hands. With a robust 2,300-watt electric motor generating 7 tons of splitting force, turning logs into firewood has never been easier. Want to boost efficiency? Add the optional 4-way splitting wedge to get 4 pieces in a single split. Plus, safety is built right in with a protective mesh to keep you secure while you work. Take a look at this. The Wison slack puller is in action, turning a motorized winch into a mobile cable crane. It's like a real-life transformer. The way it moves timber over long distances with pendulum-like precision is absolutely mind-blowing. I've never seen logs transported so creatively. This is heavy machinery at its best, pure power and innovation. This is one of the most expertly designed devices I've come across, with its precise craftsmanship and intuitive build. It boasts a thoughtfully engineered blade mechanism that delivers smooth, effortless cuts, while the blade's placement on the moving part enhances accuracy for seamless splitting. With this homemade wood processor, you eliminate the risk. The winch handles the heavy lifting, saving you from strain or potential injuries. However, reaching for the control panel could still be a bit uncomfortable. Lowering it would make the whole process easier and safer. The Palix X600 hydraulic log splitter is built for top-notch performance and lasting durability. With a powerful hydraulic system, it applies precise force to split wood smoothly and efficiently. Its sturdy design guarantees a long lifespan, while enhanced safety features ensure easy and secure operation. Our system, featuring PFT 450 conveyor technology, is incredibly adaptable and seamlessly integrates with a variety of swing circular saws. It efficiently transports freshly cut wood from the saw to a cart, and with its adjustable height, it can effortlessly move materials into storage or through doorways. I found this website that totally blew me away. It showed a Ford Cargo 3230 conquering a seriously rough road, the kind that would scare off most vehicles. It was like watching a pro at work, the way that truck and driver handled everything. I was completely hooked, and now I'm just curious, what can't that thing do? Digging isn't just a step, it's the secret to safely and effectively removing a tree stump. Skip it, and you're in for a tough battle. Without loosening the soil, roots grip tight, making removal a struggle and putting unnecessary stress on your equipment. The 2K Uchi TB290 is a powerhouse, but when up against a massive deep-rooted stump, even its strength might be tested. Lifting, rotating, maneuvering, this is where the Real challenge begins. Will this machine rise to the occasion or meet its match? Here comes the old belt-driven log splitter, rumbling to life with a determined growl. Its gears grind with purpose, and the sharp clang of metal meeting wood rings through the air. Each split log is proof of its brute strength. It may be a relic from the past, but this beast still means business, tearing through stubborn logs with unstoppable force.
Oh, it is.
This homemade woodworking machine runs on a 4-cylinder Kubota FE 12000 diesel engine. Not the most powerful, but it fires up smoothly on the first try. A true workhorse, its owner is taking it to the next level with a direct feed deck, a stop system, and an output conveyor to boost efficiency. A bold move towards self-sufficiency in woodworking. I'm absolutely amazed by the precision here. Maneuvering a massive log truck like this must take incredible skill. I can't help but wonder, how does the driver control the trailer steering with a joystick, and how well does it respond on rough terrain? Outstanding DIY tractor-powered saw, strong, efficient, and built for high-speed wood cutting. Its sharp blade slices logs effortlessly, while the tractor's power ensures mobility and fuel efficiency. Designed for smart, safe operation with blade guards and secure clamps, this robust and reliable tool makes lumber processing fast and easy. A game changer for woodworking. One step, endless opportunities. The Holzamat revolutionizes firewood processing with seamless efficiency. Compact yet powerful, this cutting-edge solution makes wood cutting effortless and cost-effective. Whether you're a small forestry business or an independent woodsman, Holzamat takes the hard work out of firewood production. Imagine being able to process a year's worth of firewood in just a few days, without even breaking a sweat. The PW Wood Processor makes it possible with its seamless cutting and splitting system, delivering both speed and top-notch efficiency. Plus, with the option to power it by a tractor, you get unbeatable flexibility to get the job done your way. At first sight, the Rotomat 4L Pro from Kretzer Force Technik is a real breakthrough in the wood processing industry. Its sturdy yet sophisticated design immediately stands out. This isn't just any log saw, it's a true innovation that boosts both safety and efficiency. Through testing, the machine runs seamlessly and cuts with precision, making wood processing more effortless than ever. I always go for small and convenient engines or machines because they're easy to take anywhere. Whether I'm chopping wood in the backyard or out in the woods, they never let me down. This log splitter doesn't rely on electricity or gas. It's a manual tool, perfect for those who prefer a hands-on approach to managing their firewood supply. It's especially handy during power outages or when fuel isn't available. Simple to use and effective, it does require a bit more time and effort, but the reward is a reliable and satisfying way to get the job done. Our wood chipper quickly transforms bulky branches into compact, easy-to-use wood chips. Whether you need firewood, garden mulch, or a clutter-free space, this powerful machine makes the job effortless. Say goodbye to mess and hassle, just fast, efficient results. The Logmatic 250 transforms traditional wood splitting with its smart, manual design. Instead of swinging, it uses downward force, making the process safer and more controlled. Built for efficiency, it minimizes wasted effort while delivering precise, clean cuts every time. The sturdy Zetor 6211 tractor, packing around 60 horsepower, is effortlessly pulling 150,000 pounds of processed wood out of the forest, tackling the rough and rugged terrain with confidence. The TrackMet PLD450 is a state-of-the-art woodcutting system built for maximum efficiency. Equipped with a PLC control system, it seamlessly integrates reflective and inductive sensors to boost precision and automation. Whether you're running a large-scale lumber operation or tackling specialized woodworking projects, this machine keeps waste to a minimum and ensures smooth, reliable performance. As the Titans take a well-deserved break, what an exhibition of engineering prowess we've witnessed. Keep the arena alive by liking, subscribing, and sharing this video. More monumental machine action is on its way. See you at the next Grand Showdown.